friends, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you today. It is another luggage review. Horizn Studios was so kind enough to send me 2 of their suitcases, which is just beyond generous. So I'm gonna do a deep dive review of both of them. They sent me 1 carry-on and then 1 checked luggage. So we'll be able to kind of do a deep dive into both type of experiences, whether you're checking a bag or carrying it on with you on the plane. So the 2 cases that they sent were the H7 Pro check-in in night blue and the H5 Pro cabin luggage, which is the carry-on luggage, both in the color night blue. To tell you a little bit about the brand, their mission is to enable curious minds to make the most out of their adventures. They build sustainable solutions for the future of travel. They're 100% design and innovation driven, and they thrive on curiosity, creativity, and collaboration and design high-end luggage, backpacks, and travel accessories, both for your daily commute and for long-haul trips. I have gone on a trip since I got these, and I was able to use the cabin luggage, the carry-on. I did not unpack it, so it's still a little heavy. It looks like this. It's super sleek, and the color is just stunning. So I was able to take that one with me. I went on a trip home to Ohio to see my family. So the flight was it wasn't direct this time, so it was over 6 hours worth of travel. So I'll be able to tell you all about how this suitcase handled and maneuvered and how my experience was traveling with it on across the country type of flight. For the checked luggage, I'll have to do a backup of this one, but it almost looks the exact same as the cabin, just obviously a lot bigger. But this is so light, like I can lift this with 1 arm. So these are crafted from refined aerospace aluminum, which is just a fancy term for very lightweight, but still very high quality and durable, which I was definitely able to tell on my travels. This was one of the lightest suitcases that I've ever been with. Being able to put it up and in the cabin space was not an issue for me, which sometimes I do get a little worried about traveling, especially because I'm an avid overpacker. This did not give me that issue. I had no troubles getting it up and down, and it's still large enough to carry at least like 2 to 5 days worth of clothes. I was home for 4 days, and I will say I was even able to bring back some extra stuff in my suitcase. So for the size, still fits a lot, but it's very thin and slender, which I think is just very classy. I love a very modern and minimal and sleek suitcase, and these are like top notch in that category. Another thing that is like super big for both suitcases, but for travel in general for me, is I need my suitcase to be able to roll on the 4 wheels seamlessly through the airport. My biggest pet peeve is when a suitcase, I have to like really yank it to roll smoothly. One, it could also be because I overpack, but I love when a suitcase overperforms or over-delivers in that category. So even if I do overpack, it still rolls very seamlessly. These not only have very smooth wheels, but they're also silent. So I'm not hearing any clicking, I'm not hearing any clunking while I'm going to the airport. These are just very high quality and very well done. They also both come with the TSA approved lock. So if you were worried about security or anything like that, you are able to lock both of these. The Pro Series comes in 4 colors. So like I said, I have the night blue, but it also comes in all black. It also comes in sand gray, and dark olive is the last color. So you do get a variety. They're all very like muted and minimal type of colors, but for me personally, I love that. They do have other ones on their website, so you guys should definitely check out the different series, but they have more fun and bright colors. Like I've seen yellow, I've seen pink. Since I've already traveled with the carry-on size, we'll start with that one first. So like I said, it was super easy and smooth to use. I found that there were really no major issues that I had. I was rolling it through the airport, and something sticky did get on the wheel, and then I was like, why the heck is this not rolling? Once I took it off, it was totally fine. But honestly, the way that this rolls, it has multiple layers of handles. So if you didn't want it as high, the only thing that I did find issue with is these are very like thin this way. So when I had my carry-on, my personal item, my purse on top of it, there were a couple of times where I like overstuffed my bag and it would fall off the top. I was obviously holding it so it didn't like spill all over the airport or anything, but I would recommend a thinner personal item for on top of the suitcase because these are pretty thin. I want to say the dimensions It's about 20 centimeters wide, so not too much space compared to some of the other suitcases that I've used. Not like the end of the world type of thing. I really do like the slender minimal look of this. So since I did go on a trip with this, I figured I wouldn't unpack, because usually I like to pack when I do these so you can see everything that goes in it, but I was rushing. I went to a concert the night before my trip and I was like, okay, let me just film me unpacking my suitcase when I get back. So everything is still inside, so you'll see how everything fit. So when I packed, I was also able to use some of the Horizn Studios packing cubes. So this is just one that I haven't used and still has a tag on it, but these were very helpful and they fit perfectly in the suitcase. If you know anything about me or my channel or just packing in general, I'm an avid overpacker, but the thing that really saved me are packing cubes. So I loved these ones. They just look so professional to me. And this one specifically, I didn't even realize this one has an amazing like water resistant material on the inside. I should have used this one for all my toiletries. I used another one that was similar in size, but it was just all mesh. So everything was kind of in there, nothing spilled, but it would be nice to use something like this. If I could take in 2 more seconds to look. Oh, and they also sent a very cute luggage tag that you can put on your suitcase. That also comes in the matching color. So let's unpack with me. Okay, so we have the suitcase here, and it does come with 2 zippers that do connect in the TSA lock if you would like to use that. Oh, and it does have a handle here that's very nice, and it is not adjustable, but it like moves up and down with you, so it's not like you're gonna yank it off, it adjusts with you. And then same thing for the top handle. Let's unzip this guy. It did get a couple scuffs when I was traveling, but overall no dents, no cracks, nothing like that. So we have the 2 sides here. This side I put all my clothes in, and then this side I put shoes. I had a pair of sweatpants that I took out because I've been wearing them around the house, but I also have my toiletries in this one. So we'll open this side first. It does have a really nice mesh zipper, very high quality zipper. Like I said, this one I kept some flip-flops in, some shoes, and then the other packing cube that I was telling you about, this one I kept all my toiletries in, but this one is all mesh. But I fit so much stuff in here that everything's kind of just loose. So I was able to keep like all my travel toiletries and stuff in here with no issue whatsoever. I am glad that I'm unpacking because I'm realizing I was looking for some things that were still in here. So this is good timing for me. But I think that this would have definitely all fit better in the mesh one. I'm gonna just switch it over just so that I can see for myself how everything would have fit in this one. So yeah, they're similar in size, but this one's also even just a little bit sturdier than the other one. Has just a tiny bit more structure, but you can see that the packing cubes fit very nicely in the suitcase. So we'll take these out, and over here, very high quality, very minimal. I love the tiny branding that you see all throughout it that says Horizn Studios, and it's just very sleek. You have so much space on this side. So then you go over to the other side, same situation with the mesh and the zipper. This one, you'll find 2 other size packing cubes. This one is a little bit more slender. I kept socks, underwears, PJs, all that stuff in there, and I was able to stuff a good amount in here, but I like that this one is slender in comparison to this one that's a little bit thicker, because you have this smaller, slender one that can fit very nicely with this larger packing cube. So I like that these can fit 2 and 2 like this, and then you have on the other side the more rectangular ones that fit pretty equally. So I think how they thought about that was very thoughtful, and it's just so convenient for packing. So again, I was able to fit a ton of socks, underwear, things like that in there. And then this one wore most of my clothes for the trip, and I was able to fit a good amount of clothes in there that are all packed up neat and nicely. I like these packing cubes, one, because they're very high quality. The zippers are sturdy and they move very easily, but also the mesh makes it a little bit flexible, so you can kind of like mush things down in there and get it in. Enjoying the packing cubes. They were very, very convenient. This side is also like pretty open like this one, but it does have the 2 bars for the handle, which is very common in suitcases. But I like this, very clean, very minimal, just a high quality suitcase that you will want to take with you trip after trip after trip. And then it just has this little part here to kind of just cover up the zipper in the middle, which I think is just another thoughtful touch. Didn't mean to move you guys so much. But honestly, like, I'm very impressed with this suitcase. It did such a great job for me. And again, like I said, there are a few like tiny scuffs from me putting it up in the bin. But on this side, it does have these little bumper pads. They're like 1 inch and maybe like a couple centimeters thick. But it's nice to have something like that, so when you can put it up, or if you're putting it in the car, in the trunk of your car or anything, it's a little bit more buffer for the suitcase, which is really nice. Just the design, gorgeous. Again, you know, my favorite part is how smooth these roll, and the handle, just a very, very well made suitcase. For the checked one, I have to stand so you guys can see. It's pretty tall, if I'm being honest. So you can see a little bit also in the mirror too, of just how tall this is. It goes, like, my top of my hip is here. It's pretty tall, and this one is a little bit thicker. Obviously, it's to fit more things. Again, you can have, this one just has one height, but it's a very comfortable height. Super smooth rolling. This one does have the TSA lock like the other one, and similarly, it has the bumpers on to protect it. I have not traveled with this one yet, but I'm so excited to. I need to plan a trip where I need to carry this much stuff, but we'll still open this one up so you can see inside. And I love that these match. Like, to me, a matching suitcase set is just so good. Very similar vibes as the other one, just on a larger scale. It has the mesh cover with the high quality zippers, tons of open space. This is the side with the bars for the handle. Still has this cover for the zippers, and then on this side, oh yeah, tons of open space. And all the suitcases come with that little luggage tag I was telling you about. So I can have a luggage tag in the matching color for both suitcases. And then this just kind of gives you a rundown of the brand and the suitcase and all the good things. So this one I feel like is gonna have a ton of space. I wouldn't say it's super deep. I think the vibe of the Horizn Studio suitcases is a more sleek and slender type of vibe. Like, I've reviewed other suitcases that were a little bit more boxy and a little bit wider. These I really like. I think these would be really good for working professional who wanted sleek travel gear, but that was still gonna be high quality enough to last the test of time and to not get too beat up and dented. So this will be so fun to test out. Overall, I'm very impressed with both of them. I think both of them are gonna be really good. I already know the carry-on is really good. The checked one, I think is just gonna be phenomenal. Oh, I almost forgot. They also sent this because I was worried about the other one. It did get a couple scratches. They sent this cover that goes over the suitcase. So at the bottom, it has a zipper. So on this side, it has a little opening, which I imagine is for the TSA. They can still, doesn't make any sense because they would have to take the cover off. It's for the handle. Let me put this on so you guys can see. Let's dress her. And this is like, I don't even know what material this is, but this is nice. This feels very good. It's an investment type of suitcase, so it's nice that they have something like this to help protect your investment. Ooh, and she fits tight. Okay. So she's on like that. Looks really good. I'm still able to get the handle. I'm able to get this handle at the bottom. I love it. At the bottom, I'm able to zip, and it fits so perfectly. It's not gonna be loose and like baggy or anything. I love this. I have never had a suitcase cover, so this is a really nice touch, especially for a checked bag. If you're anything into travel, I know you've seen horror stories of people just chucking luggage, and you always have to hope for the best in these situations. So it's really nice that they at least have a cover. The material is already durable, but it's nice for the outside to not have so many scratches as well too. So that is my full review for my Horizn Studio suitcases. The final verdict, definitely recommend. If you like very sleek, minimal, high quality suitcases, these are a phenomenal choice. I can't wait to use these more. I love looking very chic and put together at airports, but also not worrying about my suitcase when travel can already be so stressful. It's nice to know that your suitcases are going to function how they should, while also looking very nice and aesthetic, but also making your trip easier in a sense. So thank you, Horizn Studios for sending me these. I am so grateful. The packing cubes, the covers, the suitcases, everything is just beyond expectations, and I just cannot wait to start more travel. So I'll have a link below for these suitcases and for the full website. You guys should totally check out all the other color suitcases and styles that they have. This brand has just done a phenomenal job of pushing the boundary of excellence in suitcases, so definitely go check them out, and I'll see you guys next time.